Today let's make the irresistible, everyone's favorite chocolate chip cookies. In a bowl, first combine all the dry ingredients starting with 110 gram whole wheat flour, 15 gram corn flour, half teaspoon baking powder, 1/8 teaspoon baking soda. Keep it aside. In another bowl, take 58 gram cold butter, 40 gram each brown and caster sugar. Now using a spatula, I'm going to mix so that our sugar gets dissolved without making it light and fluffy. Then add half teaspoon vanilla extract and mix it also in. Now add the dry ingredients and slightly mix it. Then add 125 gram chopped dark chocolate and mix with the flour to get even distribution all along. Add 40 ml of milk and mix to form a dough. Add milk in parts according to the requirement, as its quantity depends on the fineness of flour. Also, if you replace it with all-purpose flour, the milk quantity required will be less, so add 1 tablespoon at a time. Now scoop out the cookie dough and place them on a tray. Then refrigerate them for 24 hours or a minimum of 12 hours before baking. I refrigerate for 24 hours. This helps develop more flavor as well as prevents my cookie from spreading too much while baking. Then bake them in a preheated oven at 180 C for 11 to 14 minutes after placing chopped chocolate chunks or choco chips. Once baked, let them cool down slightly before transferring them on a wire rack to cool completely. Let us break a cookie and see the texture. It is crispy from outside while soft from inside, and mind you, these cookies are absolutely delicious. These are the perfect chocolate chip cookies like you find in a cafe or a bakery. Do bake these at home and tell me how did they turn out. Thank you for watching Spoiled by Coco.